Welcome to the ultimate Deavita style guide for men. Today we're diving into one of the hottest haircut trends, the American fade. Whether you're looking to upgrade your look or simply stay ahead of the fashion curve, this video has got you covered. The American fade, also known as the taper fade, is not just a haircut, it's a statement. It's all about precision, style, and a seamless blend of lengths that can elevate any look. This iconic cut has evolved over the years, drawing inspiration from military styles and classic barbershop traditions. Today, it's a favorite among celebrities, athletes, and fashion-forward men worldwide. One of the reasons the American fade is so popular is its versatility. There are several variations to choose from, depending on your personal style and the look you want to achieve. Low fade, perfect for a subtle professional look. Mid fade, a balanced choice that works for any occasion. High fade, bold and edgy for those who like to stand out. Skin fade, ultra clean and sharp, great for a modern twist. Getting the perfect American fade requires skill and precision. Here's how a professional barber does it.
We start with clean, dry hair. Using clippers, we create the initial guideline. The key is in the blending, using various guard lengths to achieve a smooth transition. Finally, we detail the edges for a crisp, clean finish.
Maintaining your fade is just as important as the cut itself. Regular trims every 2-3 weeks keep it looking fresh. Use quality hair products to style and define your look. Here are some quick tips for you. Trim every 2-3 weeks. Use pomade or wax for definition. Comb and shape daily. The American fade is more than a trend. It's a timeless style that can suit anyone. Whether you're new to this look or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to explore with this versatile cut. Ready to get your perfect fade? Head to your local barber and embrace the style that's defining 2024. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more style tips and trends.